how to send photos from photos on your phone as Snapchat. I'm going to show how you can easily send photos from photos on your phone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Next, tap on the video record icon located on the right side panel. This will open your camera. Now, look for the Import Media option and tap on it. This will allow you to access your phone's photo gallery. Once you're in your gallery, scroll down to find the photo you want to send. Tap on the photo to select it. After selecting the photo, tap on the tick icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to confirm your selection. Here, you will see a preview of your photo. If you're happy with it, tap on the Send To button. Now, choose the recipient by tapping on their name or the My Story option if you want to share it with all your friends. Finally, tap on the Send button to deliver your photo. Your selected photo will now be sent via Snapchat.